In this video, we are going to go over how to open LIFF files in Fiji. Fiji is an open source software that is available for free at this particular website, fiji.sc. So please go ahead and download the version that is appropriate for your operating system. Go ahead and drag your Fiji app folder to Documents, and then in that folder, go ahead and send a shortcut of the application to your desktop for easier navigation. Once you open in Fiji, you can either drag the file over to this bottom bar, or you can go to File, then Open. When you try to open the LIFF file, this Bioformats Import Options menu comes up. You'll want to open your file as a hyperstack. There is an option to open all series. You can change your color mode. You can split the channels if you want to. And the virtual stack option is a really good option for very large files so that it will use less memory. Go ahead and press OK. And you can see that under my project file, I have a bunch of different images. They open as these thumbnails, and then I can go ahead and select the series that I want to open, which happens to be a Thunder image. So at the very bottom, this is how I scroll through my Z stack. So that was a fairly straightforward one-channel image, but what if we wanted to go ahead and open a two-channel image? We want to check the virtual stack and then also have the split channels checked. Selected my file and it opens like this. Initially I don't see anything, but as I scroll through I can see my channel. You can always change the brightness or contrast if you need to. And then in my other channel, same thing. As I scroll through I can see my second channel. So far we've opened only one file at a time, but what if we open the whole series? Let's go ahead and check that Open All Series box and then click OK. So now all of the thumbnails that you saw on the list before will open as individual files.